Welcome to Sreelaya's channel. Today's special is a super tasty and quick groundnut chutney. So let's get started. To a blender, add 5 tablespoons groundnut, 3 tablespoons of fried gram, a half a lemon sized tamarind, 4 to 5 garlic pods, and about 5 to 6 dry red chilies. Transfer the ingredients to a frying pan and dry roast them for a couple of minutes. Dry roasting the ingredients only helps them release their oils, and it adds flavor to the entire chutney when it's blended together. Once they are adequately roasted, get them off the stove and allow the mixture to cool. Once the mixture is cool enough, transfer them to the blender. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and blend the mixture to a fine consistency. To a frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, half a teaspoon of mustard, a handful of curry leaves, and once the curry leaves have stopped spluttering, add half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Give it a good mix and transfer it to the chutney and enjoy a quick and super delicious groundnut chutney. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and click that magic bell icon because that will tell you when my new videos are up. God bless you and have a wonderful day.